In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Framer. This will be a step-by-step guide to seamlessly embed your Calendly scheduling link directly into your Framer website. Whether you're setting up appointments for your business or simply want to streamline your scheduling process with clients, this integration will help you get the job done effortlessly. First off, you'll need to open Calendly and locate the meeting type you want to embed into your Framer site. Once you've found it, look for the option to copy the link. This link is crucial as it will allow you to embed your scheduling feature into Framer effectively. Be sure to keep this link handy for the next steps. Next, navigate to your Framer project. This can be any existing project where you wish to have the Calendly integration. Once you're in your project, look towards the upper corner of your screen for the Insert icon or the plus sign. Click on this, which will open a selection of elements that you can add to your project. After accessing the Insert options, use the search bar to find the Embed feature. Once you locate it, click on it. This will allow you to add custom content to your Framer project. The Embed function is versatile in Framer, perfect for adding external content like Calendly links. In the next step, paste the link you copied from Calendly earlier into the designated embed area. Doing this will initiate the embedding process, and shortly after, the link will become an interactive component within your Framer site. You should see that the Calendly link is now displayed as an embedded element, ready to be placed exactly where you need it. Now that your link is embedded, you have the flexibility to resize it according to your design preferences. Move it around until you're satisfied with its placement on the page. This flexibility ensures that your website maintains a clean and cohesive design without compromising on functionality. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Calendly into your Framer project. This seamless integration allows you to manage appointments more effectively, directly from your own website. It's a superb way to enhance user interaction while maintaining the aesthetic and functionality of your Framer project. Remember, the key here is to make the scheduling process as effortless as possible for your visitors, which is exactly what you've accomplished with this integration. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide useful and can now apply it to your own projects. Don't hesitate to explore more features to further enhance your Framer site. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and until next time, happy designing.